Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today we're gonna cook a delicious pasta with pumpkin sauce. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos. So prepare the ingredients and let's go. The ingredients for this delicious pasta are pumpkin pieces 2 cups, pasta 300 grams, garlic 1 whole, rosemary 2 tablespoons, bacon 8 slices, ricotta cheese 100 grams, butter 50 grams, cheddar cheese 50 grams, Parmesan cheese 50 grams, dried mint 1 tablespoon, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Put the pieces of pumpkin in a baking tray. Pour some olive oil on pumpkin pieces. Add some salt and black pepper to it. To give the aroma, put some dried mint and rosemary on the pumpkin pieces and mix them with hand. Cut the top part of the whole garlic. Put it on a piece of foil and add some olive oil and salt to it. Then wrap the foil and put it in the middle of the pumpkins. Now, cut the bacon slices into pieces and put them on the pumpkins. Bake it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take out the bacon pieces and put the baking tray back in the oven for 1 hour till the pumpkins are well cooked. To make the sauce, peel garlic and put it in the food processor together with the baked pumpkins. Add ricotta and cheddar cheese and a little salt and mix them well till completely soft. Melt some butter in a pan and add the soft, thick sauce to it and mix well. Meanwhile, cook the pasta in water and drain it. Don't forget to put aside a little of its water. Stir the sauce continuously till it is well mixed with butter. Now, add a little of the water in that you cooked the pasta to the sauce and mix it till it's homogeneous. Then add the bacon pieces to it and mix them. Put the drained pasta in the sauce and mix it. Finally, it's time to add Parmesan to pasta. If the sauce is too thick, you can add a little water of the cooked pasta to it. Bon appetit! So this was today's pasta with pumpkin sauce. I hope you cook it and enjoy it. Please follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. If you cooked it and liked it, please comment below this video. Till another delicious recipe, goodbye!